the three palettes I'm going to be using is my Tartus Pro palette, my BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil palette, and my Huda Beauty the Desert Dust palette. Yeah, that's one. I'll be using those three, but we're going to start off with this one. And the color that we're going to go first into this one is the light peachy light pink color. There you can see now. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna do that and just put it in a crease, and it's just gonna be our base. Okay, now we're just gonna go into the little bit darker pink color and kind of put that like right under it. Yep. But we're just gonna do this hot pink up here. We're gonna put it on the inner corners and then get a smaller brush and blend it more into the crease. Now doing that same technique again, we're going to take this darker pink color here and doing the same thing on the outsides, and then using a smaller brush to blend it into a crease. Okay, so now we're done with this palette for now. And we're gonna go into my Tartus Pro palette. Okay, so we're gonna take the color Mood and put the same thing on the outers. It's just like a darker purpley color. If you really wanted to make it just like a little bit more dark, go ahead and go into Draw. Just a little bit though. And now we're just going to add some concealer on my lid. Now we're going to take the Huda Beauty palette and then this pretty color right here. It's pink and then it turns gold, and I love that. So we're going to use that on that part. I'm going to spray my brush and then put it on and then use my fingers. Okay, so in my Smashbox, I'm going to use this color right here to just highlight the top of my brow bone. It's just a pretty color, okay? Now time for the bottom of my eye. So I'm just going to go straight into that hot pink color. And then we're going to be dramatic and like pull it all the way out to there. Okay, lastly, to do my inner corner, which I'm going to go back to my Smashbox palette and then use this color again. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner. My bottom lash line is just gonna be with black eyeliner. Okay, so I popped on some eyelashes and I did my eyeliner and I added blush to my face, and now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty. I'm going to be using this for like on top of my blush, and this is my highlighter. And now I'm just going to set and spray everything. This is just a lip liner that I got as a gift, so I'm just going to line my lips with this. And then I'm going to use the Tarte's lip paint in the color Vibin'. I like this because it's more of an orange red, which goes with my skin tone better. Like this video, let me know what you guys think. More makeup tutorials or stuff. If you want more of an in-depth on my foundation and everything and how I do that, then I will do that also. And yeah, so thanks guys, bye.